Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you the Cuadrado knot, another SimmonsEssentials original design. This is the Spanish word for square. So it's going to be a square knot. We're going to use 2 ties and we're going to have it at the belt line on the left hand side, excuse me. We're going to fold this in half, bring this up and over the top. I have a kind of a skinnier tie on the top, fatter tie on the bottom. Colors doesn't matter, obviously. So we're going to take the top tie, the red one. We're going to come around here. We're going to fold it in half, and then we're just going to kind of keep it loose like this, creating a form of a square already. Then we're going to come across the top like this. We're going to leave it like that for the time being. I'm going to take the bottom tie and I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to bring it from behind. I'm going to bring it through this. So that's what we have. Come across the bottom like this. Come around here and open this one up. That's really bothering me. So we'll just take that away. Bring it through the back here like this. And then we have that. I actually want to keep it like that. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to come across like this, come around, and then it's all folded in half, and I'm going to come back through here, push it through there. So then we have, here's the square, and then we have a little design into the end there. So then what I want to do is take this out, and actually I don't have enough to do anything. I'm just going to do that, so I had all that for nothing. But if you fold it in half and do that, it'll stay better. So then what I want to do is I want to come over here, we're going to again keep that square, and I'm going to reinforce it up at the top that this is a square, and then I'm going to come down like that, so you're going to have this design here. So then what I'm going to just tuck this underneath. Well, let me put the collar down first, and then I'm going to put the buttons down. Again, see the picture of this on my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials. There's that, and we'll just tuck that underneath there like so. So what you have here, let's adjust it. Here is your square right here. You have the 2 edges, you have the bottom, and then you have a design going in like this. But so there's your square right there. 1, 2. Alright. Because here, take this piece down here and kind of open that up. It's over the crisscrosses, but square. It's good right there. So again, on your own style, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. See you in the next video. Peace and God bless.